vocabulary. Travel items. 2. Read the clues and complete the crossword. Across. 3. You use this to take photos and put them on your computer. 7. You write names, addresses and ideas in this. 8. You put this on your head when the sun is very hot. 9. You pack your clothes in this. It is hard and sometimes has wheels. Down. 1. You wear these when it rains. 2. You wear these on your feet when you climb a mountain or go for a long walk. 4. You buy these to remember the places you visited. 5. You use these to look at birds and animals that are far away. 6. You carry important documents and money in this so they are safe. Complete the sentences with the words in exercise 1A. 1. I wrote her phone number in my notebook. 2. Before we leave for the airport, I'd like to buy some souvenirs for my friends. 3. It's very hot. You'll need to wear a sun hat. 4. These walking boots are new and my feet are really hurting. 5. It's raining. We'll have to wear some waterproof clothes. 6. Can you see that beautiful bird? Have a look through the binoculars.
7. My passport was in my money belt, but I took it off when I went swimming. 8. 30 kilos. I'm afraid your suitcase is too heavy. You'll need to pay extra. 9. I wanted to take some photos, but I left my digital camera at home. Underline the correct alternatives. 1. I really enjoy reading in bed before I go to sleep. 2. My brother wants to see you before he leaves. 3. We chose to get married in Venice because that's where we first met. 4. My parents love spending time with their grandchildren. 5. It always seems raining when I come to stay. 6. The company decided to refund the money we paid for the tickets. 7. We should avoid to travel when there is too much traffic. 8. The builders need to finish their work before we can paint the house. 9. We hope to see you again soon. 10. I must finish writing this letter. 11. Just imagine to live in a place as beautiful as this. 12. I hate to go to the supermarket. Write sentences using the prompts. 1. The children love play on beach in sun. The children love playing on the beach in the sun. 2. I expect hear from travel agent later today. I expect to hear from the travel agent later today. 3. We want go on holiday, but we too busy. We want to go on holiday, but we're too busy. 4. We seem go back same place every year. We seem to go back to the same place every year. 5. Alan chose stay in hotel. Alan chose to stay in a hotel. 6. We enjoy walk and look at beautiful countryside. We enjoy walking and looking at the beautiful countryside. 7. I decided travel on my own. I decided to travel on my own. 8. We avoid visit tourist resorts in summer. We avoid visiting tourist resorts in the summer. 9. We need book our flights before prices go up. We need to book our flights before the prices go up. Read the article and match topics A, D, with paragraphs 1 to 4. My top travel tips. Sandy Graves is an experienced travel writer who regularly travels all over the world. Here she shares some of her top tips. 1. When you start packing, leave your suitcase open somewhere. As you think of something you need to take, pack it. Don't leave it until later or you might forget. Make photocopies of all your important documents and put them in your suitcase. 2. If you lose your passport, having a copy will make it easier to get a new one. Pack earplugs. They're great for long flights and noisy hostels, when you really need to sleep. 2. While you're traveling, be patient. Everybody wants to leave on time, but it doesn't always happen. Buses can be late, you can have problems with your documents, or your card might not work in the ATM. Don't worry. There's always a way to get there. Smile and enjoy it, you won't have another chance to. 3. If you want more than just a holiday, try volunteering. Spending some time learning new skills and meeting new people. You can travel anywhere in the world to do all kinds of different jobs. From building in Tanzania to looking after elephants in Thailand. Just think what you could do. 4. Do your best to try everything around you. Try the local food, buy the terrible, cheap souvenirs. They won't feel terrible when you're back home. And take lots of photos. And talk to local people. You can get so much more out of your trip if you do. Keep an open mind, and don't criticize the local culture. You might see or experience things which seem strange to you, but are normal there. D. Preparing for your trip. Dealing with problems. C. Doing something different. B. Having the best experience. Read the article again. Are the statements true, T, or false, F? 1. Try to pack things at the same time as you think of them. True. 2. It's a good idea to take earplugs for when you want to go swimming. False. 3. It's best not to worry when you have problems. True. 4. There aren't many opportunities to do anything different when you travel. False. 5. Don't buy souvenirs if they're not good. False. 6. Try to accept things which seem strange to you. True. C. Find words in the article that match these meanings. 1. Things you put in your ears to keep out noise, paragraph 1. Earplugs. 2. Places where you can eat and sleep cheaply for a short time, paragraph 1. Hostels. 3. Able to wait calmly, paragraph 2. Patient. 4. A machine where you can get money from your bank, paragraph 2. ATM. 5. Abilities. Things you can do, paragraph 3. Skills. 6. From the place where you are, paragraph 4. Local. Look at the pictures of 2 stories. Put sentences, AI, in the correct order to tell the stories. A. We had a great night out. B. First, we met in a bar in town. C. Finally, when we arrived, the hotel didn't have our reservation. D. After the meal, we went dancing. E. Then, our taxi broke down on the way to the hotel. F. First, the flight was cancelled. G. The holiday was a disaster. H. Then we went out for a pizza. We waited, and after a while we had to fly to a different airport. B. Write about a time when you went on holiday or had a good night out. Write 50 to 100 words. Use the sequences in the box. First. Then. After that. After. A while. Finally. We had a lovely holiday in the Scilly Isles last year and we went there by ferry. First, we drove to the ferry terminal in Penzance. We parked our car in their car park and then walked to the terminal building. It was very busy, but after a while we got on the ferry. It was a good journey and the sea was calm and flat. When we arrived at our destination of St. Mary's, we took a taxi to our hotel. We checked in and took our cases to our room. Finally, we went out for something to eat.